see this line? Black not there. Now low Igbo. Our black, God go bless one. I'm not a fat cheap thing again. So no low Igbo. You know, you're not Puma shop, no low Igbo. You know that the line up. Only them. Our black, not the fat cheap thing, no. Nothing. As they line up. You see, the day yesterday, today now. Black Friday, they don't come outside. They don't come outside, they come carry for 2 euros. They're rich here now. Don't know, so this will get shop. They still get plan. They can't disappoint them. Anybody, if you don't keep money, we want to buy Black Friday. Black Friday come black them, but anything black. Anything black, you know, as they be now. All of them can't line up. Not even eat for money. As they be so now, they disappoint them now. No, sir. They disappoint them. They say they're wise. No, sir. They disappoint them. They not even do the black. Nothing like black now. Good. Yes. No, sir. Yeah, now. Olive. They can't be saying that for themselves. They can't even increase them. They want too much. Or if they run, they go. If you enter bus, they are food there. You see our black. Oh, our black. God go bless us. We're not even there outside. If you see us, the blessing, no gift there outside. I can say, oh, this jacket is cheap. Oh, no wonder than there outside. See jacket, eh? Oh, it's not cheap. 119 euro. Our black no try now. Buy trousers 119 euro. They say that they do sales. If they don't do sales, I beg you. My pastor, they be so much fine. One jacket, because this for jacket. It's too different. The jacket, you get one shop when I enter my people. Spirit, you know what they tell me? As I see, say them put 50%. That's okay. Make I take. I said, no, if I go be 50, you go buy 18. Now the 18 now, when you buy now, they will come do 50-50 put. If you not buy 18, you know do 50-50. But I said the turn now, so the price where the lowest price now 50 euro. 50 euro. My sister brought like John Lego. This shop when I enter. Now every Monday I tell they buy waiting cost. Today now Friday. Anything will cost. Now they buy today be Friday. If I want buy waiting cost, now every Monday. So not my fault. I need to man they go. It's on Monday I come buy waiting cost. I know they buy anything cheaper for, you know, see, $128 for now. I come buy for 90 euro. I'll come back. This guy will be like Boari Bank and Ga. My people, I see the big so they go. Now me come for myself. Now me still carry myself they go. I see the one I buy. Sew your coat according to your size. So I don't they go. I don't sew my coat. My coat abi. They don't do anything black. If all the Igbo there outside, make them come back. Make them come back. I go video all of them. As I they try, they come. I go video all. This one a bomb will be like my mama frampan. With they fry chicken, banana. You know, so the video they don't too much. You know, it's our black corn. If now black now full outside now say black now so their life be the French particle. This one are them now. Now make me the video their proculo. You know see yakas. You know you they drive fine cars, sure. If you enter this shop now, as you enter, so you take a month. You don't see anything but wait not no enter. No not like say, oh, this one I say Black Friday, no 20. When Black Friday, like make me enter, go show now what my I see for this shop on enter. Oh, this one will good for my daughter, Jare. See. Not for me. They don't even get. They don't get big size, man. 31. My daughter now. And you don't they wear big size. You know what I go even see my own for you. My people. The shop big shop. This shop big. The shop big. All this shoe now. Now leather. Now leather shoe. Anybody if you see get papa or grandpapa, come here, come carry. You know, say I call you, come carry this shop for your papa. Oh, the price not let me show now. I don't know if you see how 100 euro. Now leather shoe. And they sell good shoe for you. But it cost. It cost. My people. I must see this one. I said they do sales now. Now says they do 70. They do not do sales. They will contact with me and come back for 100 euro. Now ants now you go bite them. This should go fit my yummy mommy. Oh. My people. Then get better shoe for here, sha. That's a sweet soup way sweet. Now money kill if you not get money, hide your face. Hide your face. If you not get money, hide your face. Hide your face. If you not get money, hide your face. Hide your. I did look for white trainers. Now white trainers are they wear, my people. I tell her, I say, let me enter myself. Oh, let me go see school now. I don't go. I carry my bag to go. Okay, now our Daki they come. Look, I say last Friday. Our Daki not come. What did they see for life? Don't they come? Our Daki. You don't see the wagon. Now our Daki they come. I just surprised say her. Could you be Black Friday? Sit down with Kinder Bag, you know. Oh my God, 15. That May 15. Sunday 20. Why some make 15? Okay, my people, my live on for you. Make I live on for you. I see they hot. I not feel enter again. Make I dey go. I don't still buy. You know, like say I dey vex. You know, sometimes the person go dey vex. Say, see lie low. My sure on a lie. Now this side be the pass. So now me born. Now you want carry me go this side. So give the Yankee. My sure on a lie. You know, see that you no Igbo. But they go say no only Daki. They fight cheap party go to. This one now no Igbo. Then daylight. Then daylight in 2 o'clock. Might take idea because if you see then daylight so now chocolate they won't buy. You know sir then daylight so now chocolate. Now the daylight. Chocolate will then go eat. All their belly go be like trailer where they carry cement for Nigeria. They don't line up everything that they line up for year. Everything that they line up for year. They won't buy water, then go line up. They won't see go toilet, they go line up. See chocolate, then go line up. Anything for this Germany here. Not Germany. Anything for this Germany here, they go line up. Oh, I beg my they go. No, let me come. No, let me they go. Okay, I live on for here. Now, yeah, I do my cotton leash. You know, see my people, I don't they go. You know, see the bus. My boss now don't come to cross. I never even fit cross. You see, how they go. The bus don't move. I'll wait for another one. And I for fit cross for you. If I cross for you, it go good. But the car's too much. I hope how they see a bit too bright. Now like this good pass a bit. So now I told her if we cross, you know, say as a black woman, what we do? Now shortcut with the look for. I told her if we take this shortcut.